In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for customer success teams. Jira can be a great tool for customer success because it helps you organize requests, track follow-ups, and keep everyone aligned across teams. The goal is to create a simple system where customer work is visible, prioritized, and easy to manage. To get started, log into Jira and create a new project. Open the Projects menu, choose Create Project, and then select a template that fits the way your team works. For customer success, common options include Jira Work Management, Jira Service Management, or a customer request style setup. After that, enter your project name and click Create. This gives you a dedicated space for all customer-related work. Once the project is ready, start creating customer success tasks. Click Create and add tasks for the activities your team handles every day. That might include customer onboarding, account reviews, feature requests, customer issues, or renewal follow-ups. As you create each task, fill in the important details like customer information, a clear description, priority, assignee, and due date. The more complete the task is from the beginning, the easier it will be to track and act on later. Next, use Jira to track customer requests. Create issues for specific customer needs and add labels that help with filtering and reporting, such as customer feedback, feature request, escalation, or renewal. Then assign each request to the right team member so ownership is always clear. For onboarding, create a workflow that reflects the process your team follows. Add tasks like welcoming the customer, scheduling training, configuring account settings, and completing a setup checklist. Then track each item through statuses like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. This makes onboarding progress easy to monitor at a glance. As requests start coming in, take time to prioritize customer needs. Open your backlog or issue list and review what's there. Set priorities based on customer impact, business value, and urgency, then rank the most important work higher. This helps your team focus on what matters most. Jira is also useful for collaboration. Link customer issues to related work in other teams, such as development bugs, product improvements, or support tickets. Add comments and updates so everyone involved has visibility into progress and next steps. To monitor everything more easily, go to Dashboards and create a customer success dashboard. Add gadgets that track open customer requests, account tasks, escalations, feature requests, and team workload. A dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of both customer health and team activity. Finally, automate repetitive work. In project settings, open automation and create rules to send follow-up reminders, assign customer tasks, update statuses, and notify account owners. Automation saves time and helps your process stay consistent. That's how to use Jira to build a more organized and efficient customer success workflow.